Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to open and disassemble this phone. We're gonna change the Redmi Note 11. As you see, we're gonna change the motherboard from now. So first of all, we're gonna start opening the back cover and disassemble this motherboard. Put it in the new one. And assembly in one part. In this case, you can also change many of the elements like battery, USB port charging, cameras, speakers, buttons, and many more. So let's get started. We need to have a head dryer to heat the back cover. Next, we need to open tool like this or credit card to put it inside the back cover here and slide it around the back cover to remove it. So let's get started. Wash my hand and do the same. Whoop, I need AC for this. Okay, I think it's hit pretty well. So for now, I'm gonna try to slide here or somewhere here to avoid any of damage of the back cover. Okay, I'm in, and I'm gonna try to put this plastic card, of course, to avoid any of damage of back cover. And now, as you see, this is made by metal, so it can be scratched, but plastic tool is much better option to do this. Now here you can make it very carefully to don't destroy the camera. Okay, and the camera have own glue tape here. My camera has a little fault, as you see on the lens. There is a little crack here. Okay, anyway, I made it. As you see, this is the back cover, and here we have our phone. So the part you can easily destroy is this little flex. So you should here carefully on the left side to don't destroy this little flex here. Anyway, for now we have to remove all these screws here on the back. as you see, first we need to pull up this lens here. And now here gonna be two screws more. Anyway, we need to have unscrew the down screws here because we're gonna be remove all the frame, as I see. Firstly, we should remove this SIM card slot here. Yep. And now same things with bigger plastic tool to remove plastic frame here. Here is this little flex here, and we need to open this and remove it with the frame, of course. Okay. And as you see, in this case we can remove all the elements. I'm gonna be try to remove this motherboard for the new one. Okay, so we need to try firstly the battery, second the LCD, this is the antenna, if there is any screws here, I don't see any, so try to lift it up. Okay. And we're gonna replace it with this. So now just easily put the new motherboard here in the right place. Okay. Of course, if you don't have the thermopaste, there is one trick. You can put a little bit thermopaste, but I take the old thermopaste from the old motherboard here and put it on the frame. Of course, you can clean it. The best way will be if you clean it and add the new thermopaste, but I only just show you how to make assembly of this part. Okay. If this camera is in the right place, yep. So now put the flex here with the LCD, put the flex of the battery, and put the flex with the antenna. If that's it, let's try to put some working SIM card with the SIM card slot here. Now try to power on. In my case, I just repaired the SIM card slot because it's damaged. Has a little bit damage here. Then, as you see, my card is working here. Yeah, I have the network connection. So the operation is already done. So for now, we're gonna turn off and assembly all the parts here to complete the operation. So now when you have put your motherboard here and you try that all is working, you can do the assembly part, but in this case you can also change your battery, which is here, and down part of your phone, which USB-C charging port or speakers here. This is also have speakers, second speakers here. The camera also have here. So it's like Lego. So assembly your back frame or the central frame. I don't know how it's named. Okay, the button is working. So put the flex in the port. Now the camera lens here. And 2 screws here. No. Before that, we're gonna have here 2 screws here. Yep, that's it. That was the case. There are hidden screws here. Be sure to this camera was in the right place. Yep, the rest. If you are sure, you can just put all your screws here on the back. Okay, as you see, the phone is completely working. The last try if the phone is okay. Yes, it's okay. So put your SIM card tray here in the slot and put the back frame here. But you can do this in two ways. Of course, you can put something like that, the glue tape. Of course, you can do this if you wish. I have the glue, the special glue. I'm gonna show you what the glue I have. But before that, I need to make the right place with this all the glue here. Oh, okay. And where is my glue? Here. Fuck. Okay, here are my glue. I'm gonna put it on the frame here. You need to make it around this frame. Okay. I made it around the phone. Now just assembly your back cover into the phone. For this I have crocodiles to use the force on the back to take the time for the glue to get it strong. Okay, and that's it, guys and girls. The phone is working, everything is fine. The phone need to have now a few hours or 1 day to stick the glue and get it stronger, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!